This video is about finding the supplements and complements of an angle based off of some information given to us. So the first thing we need to talk about is how to define a supplement of an angle and how to define a complement of an angle. So this complement of an angle is whatever we have to add to the angle to equal 90 degrees. So we like to draw our right angles here, and a complementary angles are two angles that add to 90. So we could call this angle x, we don't know what we're solving for, and whatever we have to add to x to get to 90 degrees is going to be our complement right here. So this is our angle, and our complement and we're going to call this complement 90 minus x instead of saying another variable, because we don't know what x is. We don't know what we have to add to it. But we do know our total has to be 90, and whatever our angle is, we can subtract out of that to find our complement. A supplement of an angle is whatever we have to add to it to get to 180 degrees. So if this is our angle here, we're going to do something very similar to our complement and call our supplement 180 minus x. Now, I say a lot of times whatever we have to add to it, but we know that addition and subtraction are very closely related, and we can just subtract our angle from 180 to get our supplement instead of adding an amount to our angle to get to 180. I want you to remember these two things here, that a complement we're typically going to refer to as 90 minus x, and a supplement we're going to refer to as 180 minus x. Now there are more ways to do this. This is the way I recommend, simply because our wording in each of these problems is going to be a little different, but this way is going to work for you every single time. So this example here, the supplement of an angle is 10 more than 3 times its complement. Now, don't stop at 10. We need to keep reading the sentence. So 10 more than 3 times its complement. We like to think of is as an equal sign. So the supplement of an angle, remember we said the supplement should be 180 minus x. So we're going to start with that in our equation. 180 minus x is 10 more than, so 10 plus 3 times the complement. So 3, and the complement we like to think of as 90 minus x. 90 minus x there. And now we have a nice equation set up to solve. So let's finish solving this. Okay. Let's add the 3x, subtract 180. And x should equal 50. Okay, so this x is our angle. We come over here and say our angle measure, 50 degrees. The supplement is 180 minus 50, or 130 degrees. And the complement is 90 minus 50, or 40 degrees.